Alright guys, check out this keyboard I've been messing around with. The KINESIS Freestyle Edge RGB split mechanical keyboard. This thing is seriously wild. First off, it's split. Like actually split down the middle. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I want a split keyboard? Trust me, it's a game changer, especially for gaming and long typing sessions. You can position the two halves however you want. Bring your mouse closer for better aim, angle the left side for comfy typing, or even spread them wide and put your stream mic or HOTAS controller in between. It's incredibly versatile. They even include a lift kit, so you can tent the keyboard for better ergonomics. My wrists have been thanking me since I started using this thing. And the new cushion palm pads? Super plush and comfortable. This particular model has Cherry MX Blue switches. Clicky, tactile, and oh so satisfying. You know, that classic mechanical keyboard feel. They're rated for 50 million keystrokes, so this keyboard is built to last. If blue switches aren't your thing, KINESIS offers other switch options too, so you can find the perfect fit. The RGB lighting is also pretty sweet. Full 16.8 million colors per key, with tons of customizable effects. You can make it pulse, wave, or even do a rain effect. It's all controlled through their Smart Set app, which is surprisingly easy to use. You can even add a lighting expansion pack for even more customization. But the real magic is in the programmability. Every single key is programmable. You can create macros, remap keys on the fly, and set up different profiles for different games. It's got a dedicated Smart Set key for quick changes, and everything is saved directly to the keyboard's onboard memory. So, if you're taking this to a tournament, you're all set. It's also completely plug and play. No drivers needed. Just plug it into your Windows, Mac, Linux, or even Chrome OS device, and you're good to go. The Smart Set app is available for Windows and Mac if you want to dive into the customization options. So who is this keyboard for? Gamers for sure. The ergonomic design and customizable features are a huge advantage. But honestly, anyone who spends a lot of time typing could benefit from this. Programmers, writers, anyone who wants a more comfortable and personalized typing experience. It's not the cheapest keyboard out there, but the quality and features justify the price. If you're looking for a truly ergonomic and customizable keyboard, the KINESIS Freestyle Edge RGB is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit of an investment, but your wrists and your gaming performance will thank you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.